In today's video, let me quickly teach you the way that you enable notifications on Cash App. Recently, if you don't receive notifications on Cash App, that may be because the push app notifications is currently turned off. To turn it on, open up your Cash App. From the homepage of your Cash App, you'll need to tap on the profile icon that is on the top right. From this, you'll land on the account settings of your Cash App account. In order to head over to notifications, you'll see the option of notifications, which is the third option from the top. Just tap on this option. Inside of this notifications tab, you'll be able to see the option called push notifications. If this is turned off for you, which means the green sign is turned off or on check, you just need to tap on this toggle option or the check mark option right here and make sure that the green tick mark appears. So just tap or check this option and your notifications for Cash App will be immediately turned on. I hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.